Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's load our brain. Today I'll be talking about Indian currency. Let's know something interesting about Indian currency. When was first currency created and by whom? The first currency was created by King Aliatis in Lydia in 600 BC. The first ever coin minted featured a roaring lion. How the name rupee has kept to Indian currency and by whom? The word rupee is named by Sultan Sher Shah Suri. It is derived from the Sanskrit word rupiah meaning a silver coin, in year 1542-45 while he was ruling. Where currencies in India are printed. Currencies in India are of two types, notes and coins. Coins are minted at the four Indian government mints, Alipur in Kolkata, Noida in UP, Saifabad and Charlapalli in Hyderabad. And coming to the notes, notes are printed at four printing presses, Nasik in Maharashtra, Divas in Madhya Pradesh, Mysore in Karnataka, Salboni in West Bengal. First two are controlled by central government and other two are controlled by RBI subsidiary, Bharatiya Reserve Bank Mudran Limited. What are the materials used to print? The paper used for printing newspaper or books is primarily made of wood pulp. The currency paper made specifically for the Bureau of Engraving and Printing is composed of 75% rag made of cotton and 25% of linen with the security thread and watermark. The number panel of the notes are printed with fluorescent ink and optical fibers. Both can be seen when the notes are exposed to ultraviolet lamp. What is minimum reserve system? Minimum reserve system is a concept which is applicable in India since 1956. According to this system, RBI has to maintain at least 200 crore rupees of assets all the time. What is the cost involved to government per currency note? According to annual report of RBI, the note of printing of rupees 200 note is rupees 2.93, cost of 500 rupees note is rupees 2.94 and cost of 2000 rupees note is rupees 3.54. Where the papers are designed and produced before printing. The papers on which currency is printed is designed, produced and supplied to printing press by two mills, Hosangabad in Madhya Pradesh and Mysore in Karnataka. Hosangabad mill is under central government control and Mysore mill is under RBI control. The designing of banknote paper involves embedding various securities including 3-dimensional watermark, micro lettering and security thread. What is the highest and lowest denomination printed by RBI? The highest denomination note ever printed by RBI was Rs 10,000 note in year 1938 and again in year 1954. These are demonetized in year 1946 and again in 1978. The lowest denomination note is Rs 1. At the time of 2016 demonetization on 8th November 2016, RBI spent Rs 7,965 crores on printing new notes between July 2016 and June 2017. Expenditure was increased by 133% when compared to 2015 to 2016. I want to conclude this video by saying that in India, printing of new notes is the sole right of RBI. It prints currencies of all denomination except rupees note 1. Then who does rupees note 1 prints? Actually, rupees note 1 is printed by Ministry of Finance and passes it to RBI for circulation. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and learned something new, then like, subscribe and share. Hit on the bell icon so that you won't miss any opportunity to boost your brain.